My name is John Mays. Some people refer to me as Evil John Mays. I'm here today to demonstrate some makeup techniques for ExpertVillage.com. We're going to take a rather attractive young lady and subtract that from her, going from a girl to a ghoul. And I hope you enjoy the process. So what we've got here is kind of the horror movie kit, or at least the makeup into things. We've got your palette of colors. They're alcohol-based. They won't sweat off the makeup. A little hair decoration. Gel Effects makeup for making appliances and nice little wound treatments. So one of the things you'll need to know about that is that it has to be melted, so you'll need a little heating pot to do it. Be sure you have an appliance set up where you can melt it. What I've got here is just an old coffee pot that I've cobbled together. The melting temperature is between 140 and 120 degrees. You can see the thermostat here for that, and it goes without saying you need to wait a couple seconds before you put it on the actor because they really don't appreciate temperatures quite that hot. Powders, adhesive for the appliances. We have the activator for the alcohol-based makeup, and these things, your friend, and if you have to go to someplace else the next day, something I want to have, gloves. Because most of the stuff, since you're working all day, is going to dye your skin.